Very good morning, Honorable Sandhya. This is Ramalingam, Prakash, Prabhu, Lokesh and Jay Prakash here to show a project called trolley straw baler by ram compression mechanism. The agriculture has been the background of Indian economy. Although there have been many high-end machineries in the market which would help all the farmers, they aren't affordable to the small-scale farmers in India. The small-scale farmers in India are currently using only the conventional base for the farming activities. So what we thought is that we wanted to help the agriculture field. We had only two objectives. We wanted the mechanism to as simple as that, and we have to make it as affordable as that. So what we did is that we made up a straw baler. Straw baler in the sense it will collect these straws. Straws are basically the leftover particles after the harvesting period. These straws are collected by means of basically an inclined plate, which is in turn is compressed by means of ram mechanism. And this is our prototype. This complete body is made of the sheet metal, and we do have three wheels, two on the front and one on the rear, and we do have an inclined plane over it, the straws move over it, and these two wheels are connected by means of chain and sprocket mechanism, which is in turn is connected to the crankshaft. The crankshaft is connected to the connecting rod, which is in turn is connected to the ram. This is the collection box. Here is the all the straws get collected. We employ a manual tie which is used to take the straws outwards. So I will show you the working now. So whenever it is moved, the rotation motion from the wheels is taken, and this power is supplied by means of this sprocket to this sprocket by a chain mechanism, which is powered to this crankshaft. As the crankshaft rotates, by means this rotation motion is converted to the reciprocating motion of the ram action, by which the straws that are collected gets compressed here. So after it is collected, you can use a manual type by which you can take this out. And this is the best thing is that these three wheels do not get punctured any time, because we use rubber and steel tires as we don't get any pain. So also the body is fully made of mild steel, and everything is parts are easily available in it. So this would be a higher efficient machine. So compared to the conventional machine which works only by means of connecting to the tractor by means of a PTO shaft, this could be used only by pushing the vehicle, the straws gets collected. And moreover, the cost of the system is the important factor. The cost of the conventional machines is like 3 lakhs to 5 lakhs, but this machine would be completely manufactured at the cost of just to be 10,000 rupees. But this system can only be used by small scale farmers. But compared to the other countries, India has a large scale of small scale farmers who don't access to even a tractor. So we are now testing this in our lab. The thing is that we don't have an harvesting season right now, so we are trying out here. Last year we tested this prototype at a Nevam village in Tamil Nadu, where we used this system at a 5-acre land, where we were able to collect the straws of 5-acre land in a single day, where the farmer said like you used to employ 2 people, maybe a hand picking system. He has to employ 2 people for a series of 3 days. So he has to give a wage of 500 rupees for a person a day. So it costs around 4,500. I mean 3 times harvesting acres. So compared to that system, this system you just can buy it at 10,000 rupees and you can use it. We can employ just 1 person a day to collect full straws. And this system, the main important thing is the maintenance cost. Compared to the conventional machine where a single roller, if it goes off, complete system has to be repaired. The complete system will complete minimum rate of 20 to 30,000 rupees. But this system, you can just take it to the nearby building shop and you can just take off that part and you can machine the new part very easily. So this part basically, this system is completely easily works with a simple mechanism, at the same time will be more affordable system. And currently we are making the research of making this system to work as a dual system. The thing is that currently this system works by mainly means of manual system. Our current research focus on using this system also by connected to the tractor. In the sense we would make the system as efficient as the conventional machine, so that this could be even used by a large scale farmers. The way this could be a new boom to market, which would enhance our economy and help to fulfill the dreams of each and every farmer's concern. I'd like to thank everybody for giving this opportunity.